All right. Next up, we're going to look at logarithms. And in order to do this, we are going to use what's known as the Venn rule. So the Venn rule, base exponent equals the number. And the Venn rule is that a log is always equal to the exponent. All right. Now, logs always have a base. So you got to make sure you put the base on that. And the only thing left, like we've got a B, E, and N, the only thing left is that this number goes in the parentheses. All right. So this is what's known as the Venn rule, base exponent number. And when you change it around, you have log with a base, the number goes in parentheses, and it's equal to an exponent. All right, so we're going to rewrite each equation in logarithmic form. So for the first one, we have 17 squared equals 289. This is, oops, this is the base, the exponent, and the number. So when I rewrite it, logs have a base of 17. The number is 289, and logs are always equal to the exponent, which in this case is 2. When you go to type this in on your quiz, you're going to say log, put a parenthesis, and write the word base because they don't let you do subscripts in Google. You'll write the number 17, put another set of parentheses with a 289 equals 2. And that's how that works. There are a couple of videos on how to do logs. Guys, I highly encourage you to do that. And one other thing I meant to say at the beginning of this video that I forgot, so I did do that one. There are answers to this practice test at the bottom. This is the PDF that's in the classroom for the practice test. I'm going over it, but I highly suggest that you, if you haven't done it yet, stop this video now, do all of these problems on your own to see what it is you know and don't know, and then come in and watch me do the videos. But take your time, guys, and practice this fun. So you come in and get a slam dunk A, that would be ideal. Once again, I have a base, an exponent, and a number. So every log has a base. In this case, it's 256. It's okay that it's a really large number. The number in parentheses is the number on the other side of the equal sign, and logs are equal to an exponent, so we would say 1/2. And this would be your answer. You would type this in if you could, but log doesn't let you, or I'm sorry, Google doesn't let you do this subscript. So this is going to be log base 256 with a 16 in parentheses equals 1/2. And that would be the answer that you would type in for that particular problem. Okay, we've got 2 more to do. I'm going to bring these two to another page and we'll work on them then. All right, so now what we're looking at, we have a base, an exponent, and a number. So this is going to be log base 6. The number always goes in parentheses, is 1/36. And then the exponent. So logs are always equal to the exponent. Since my exponent is -2, this log is going to be equal to -2. And that's what I want you to type in. Log base 6 of 1/36 equals a -2. We'll do this one last one here. We have a base, exponent, and a number. Remember, logs are always equal to the exponent. So this is going to be log base 9 of 3 equals 1/2. What you would type in for the quiz is log base 9 of 3 equals 1/2. Limitations to Google. Google is limited for some reason. Strange, I know. It's really creepy. Let's go ahead and use this video to do the exponents next. So there's going to be questions where we go from an exponential form to a logarithmic form. And then down here, there's questions where we go from a log form to an exponent form. It's actually really, really easy, guys. You're just using that base. Down here, I'll work on these on the next video. We're just doing the exact same thing, but using letters. And then we'll evaluate some logs. I'll show you how to plug those into the calculator. There are videos on all these, guys, so I highly anticipate that you are practicing them on your own before you take the test. Go ahead and move into this one. So number 5, once again, I have a base. Logs are equal to the exponent, and this is going to be our number in parentheses right here, the 1/625. So my base is 1/5. The exponent, we'll put a caret for Google. The exponent is going to be 4 equals 1/625. Done. If you notice, I'm doing the power of button there. So normally it would be 1/5 to the power of 4, but they don't let you do superscripts, just like they don't let you do subscripts in the last problem. So we're going to use that power of button. I believe it's Shift 6 on your keyboard. We'll give you a caret, and we'll say 1/5 to the power of 4 equals 1 over 625. Do the next one. My base is 15. The exponent is 2, and it's equal to 225. Done. Now you would say 15 to the power of 2 equals 225 because they don't let you do the superscript, but that's how that works. Same thing here. 2 to the power of 5 equals 32, and we're going to say 2 to the power of 5 equals 32. Over here, 9 to the power of 2 equals 81. That's it. Okay, so on the next video, we'll do the exact same thing, but this time we're going to use letters. No big deal. You just type the letters in. You're just rearranging things. Please do not lose your cookies over this. If you have questions, I do have a Google Meet running right this second. It just so happens nobody's on it, so I'm making good use of that time and creating these videos for you guys to watch. But you're more than welcome to jump in and play and hang out and that kind of thing. I'll be here. All right? Have a good one.